To be fashionable means to be in touch with current trends, and matching them with what looks good on your body type. It also means choosing a style that expresses who you are and what you want to say. You want to know how to make your style suit you. And sometimes, it comes with a challenge: making your chest appear smaller. Here are some tips to make your breast look smaller. Reduce overall body weight. If you're thinking about long-term results, try to find a health plan that works with your lifestyle. By reducing overall body weight, you get rid of extra fat. Your breasts can be composed of up to 56% fat, so reducing your overall body weight will reduce the overall fat weight even in your breasts. Wear the right bra. If you need instant results, wearing the right bra is a healthy and simple way to address the challenge. Minimizer bras are non-stretch material, so they lift your breasts and contour them to smoothen even back and side bulges. Don't harm yourself by getting a smaller size than you are. Just get the correct size and watch the science kick in. Sports bras are also good choices if you're wearing a full top. The racerback provides strong support for the chest, and the smooth lie of the front helps to minimize how your breasts look. Get the right size for you, and the good fit will match your style. The best part about bras is that they are easy to fit for, and quite convenient to put in your everyday wardrobe. They're also less risky than binding, and less expensive than changing an entire wardrobe. Cardio exercise. If you want results a bit sooner than what a health plan would give you, you might want to try exercise. Not targeted exercise, because that's a myth. But if you find a good exercise plan that works out your cardio, it burns fat faster and reduces your overall fat weight. Working out for 30 minutes to 1 hour every week will improve your fitness and health as well. You may also want to pair it with a diet plan in the longer run. Safe binding. If you're a cosplayer or you need to make your breasts appear smaller for a more dramatic reason than usual, you might want to consider safely binding your breasts. If you do it wrongly, you might stress and strain your breast tissue, and that would be unhealthy. Here are some tips. Wear bindings for less than 8 hours at a time. Try not to bind your chest for too many consecutive days. Use correct binding tape or wrap, don't makeshift. Pick wide-necked clothing. One of the tricks to making your breasts look smaller that you may not know is picking wide-necked clothing. V-necks and scoop necks lie smoothly on your bust and flow around it, making it look smaller. Don't pick smaller sizes. Try to get something about one size bigger so that it reduces the overall look of your breasts. Another way to balance how you look would be to draw attention to your legs and hips instead. Brighter skirts, shorts, or shoes can draw people's attention lower, so you end up presenting your body in a more balanced way.